Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Unlocking Computer Secrets with Rizqtech. Alright, let's get right into it.
Now, what we have here is another panel on this dashboard. Let me zoom it in so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing, so that it will not be as if you have left something behind untouched. So this is Jetpack, 7-day highlights. All this we are going to discuss them later, but in brief about this dashboard, what we need to know here is what I'm explaining to us. Now this is newsletter. What does this do? Immediately you open my website, this one in particular, it will request for your email to subscribe to this, so that whenever I have a new post, you will be one of the first person to be notified. And presently I'm having 5 subscribers via email. That is, people that make subscription via email are up to 5. Now the second one is, if I'm trying to set up a training platform and I want to be receiving payment from those that subscribes to it, I will still create another link, and these will be recorded for those that are making payments on that. So those are the things that we have on this dashboard. Let's scroll up. So all this one, publish or post, is just like a shortcut. This is just a shortcut. Once you click it, it will take you to where you are going to continue. You see it says quick links. It will direct you to that particular page where you can do all this. Now the next one is the main site. When you open the site, you see this is what I was talking earlier, that instead of rcictwcp.com, you will have WordPress in front. Now hosting overview, that is here. If I click on it now, it will show me the plan that I can upgrade my own account to, either monthly or annually. So that is where you are going to make the payments. So here we have something like you normally have on Facebook, that will be asking you what is on your mind. So all this, we don't really need them here, but at time, if there are some questions, you can also post your answer there. So this is quick draft. If you have something on your mind and you feel like, okay, I want to make a post on particular topic, you can quickly come here, input the title, input the content, and save it as draft. And later, when you have some other information about it, you can come there so that you would be able to continue on that. So